Hi everyone, this is Kim and welcome to our channel. So for today, I'll be sharing with you our second video of our Morocco travel. So I will be sharing our Airbnb where we stayed, where we've eaten and what we've eaten, and basically our experience in Morocco. So yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy the video and please subscribe and be one of our first set of subscribers. We're just starting our channel, so please support us. Thank you, enjoy!
ورث هذه الطائرة إلقاء الطائرتان إلى أقرب مطار إليك. يوجد انتباه إلى أنها
I just wanted to give you some information about what and how we prepared for our travel to Morocco. First thing is transport from the airport to your accommodation, which we have arranged with our accommodation host. I think most of accommodations do arrange airport transfers for the guests, as recommended by our friends who went to Morocco first. It's just because, well, there are taxi drivers or taxis outside, but they just swarm at you when you get out of the airport. So it's better to arrange it with our accommodation. With our accommodation, for taxi price was 15 euros during the day and 20 euros at night, and that was about 20 minutes of car travel from the airport to our accommodation. Make sure that you have Moroccan dirhams with you. What we've done, we did withdraw from an ATM prior exiting airport. So when you exit the immigration area, there are ATMs on the right side, if I remember it right.
Dry yung kamay mo. Dry.